Good morning. It's 5th May. It's Monday. So yeah, market opened, pulled back, and now pushing up. So that's good to see. Just waiting for that 1 to 4, and that's about it. Then on Italy, it almost stopped me out at break even, but still, I'm in a trade. Starts to pull back, so hopefully it does something like this. We'll see. US oil, beautiful. Starts to flush. And yeah, all I need is basically first MB, second MB, taking an entry to go lower. So that's about it. Bitcoin and Solana dropped down, so nothing really to do at the moment. Still need the same thing as I was speaking about yesterday. So yeah, that's about it. We'll see how these trades, hopefully they hit full take profit. Yeah, so I'll be back once something new happens. So, we have a small movement on gold. That's beautiful, as expected. Basically, if this candle closes somewhere here, it still has 55 more minutes for the 6-hour candle to close. If it closes, then we have an MB that supports the price to go, and I'll be waiting for is this inside here on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, that's good if it closes. For this, basically the same thing. Let's leave these brush tools. Yeah, basically the same thing. If it breaks up and closes, then the same thing inside there. We'll be waiting for 1 hour time frame to set up new opportunities to keep on liquidating the high. And yeah, basically that's about it. Cryptos, nothing to do. Yeah. Then looking at our entries that are open, DAX pushing, which is great to see. Oops. Yeah, which is great to see. And yeah, just need one small push again to take out full position. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't do something like this. That would be fucking sad. But yeah, still we have already made money. Took out a partial right here Friday, so yeah. Then Italy is doing really nothing. It started to push back up right here when this candle was open. It was somewhere here, and then it dumped back down to here, and now it's just at these levels. So we'll see. Hopefully it does something like this, but at the moment we will just see what happens. Yeah, so that's about it. Then US oil is the only market for me, I think, today that could set up good entries, and yeah, but I need an MBs. So this already is a flush for me because we made an MB on the other side, so that's a flush. That's great. And yeah, all I need, like always, we can invert the chart so it's more clear. Basically this, pause this, and here I will take my entry. So we'll see if that happens. Of course, if it keeps on going, then nothing to do. But yeah, I'll place an alert so I remember when it creates the first MB. Then UK 100, like I spoke about, unfortunately, it starts to look nice, but the 6-hour MBs are extended. The 6-hour cycle for me is extended, and but overall it looks nice. These are ugly MBs, but this one is okay. Momentum MB above the EMAs, and EMAs really switch. So if we pause around these levels and start to make progress, let's say 6-hour MB, so we start to make 6-hour MB and we are above the EMAs on context, and we respect them, then I will look for entries. But that's not for today. That's probably at the end of the week, or we'll see. But yeah. Then other markets, really nothing really. The US market is starting to pause, so it starts to do what I was talking about in yesterday's video in part 30 or in part 31. I don't remember exactly. It doesn't matter, but yeah, that I will right now. I'm willing to take buys and sells as well. And by sells, I mean if it dumps back down right here below the EMAs and EMAs keeps being bearish, then I look for shorts if on 6 hour it looks bearish and on 1 hour as well. But let's say if dumps right here and starts to respect EMAs and starts to build bullish structure right here, then I will look for buys. And this will be momentum and be on 2-day time frame. So yeah, it all depends what it wants to do and how it wants to do it. So yeah, and as well as it has made already 1, 2, 3, 4 MB. So yeah, we could expect one last leg higher from this cycle, but it doesn't mean anything at the moment. So yeah, nothing really to do. Spain is doing what Spain does, keeps pushing. Already tapped all-time highs. So yeah, we are building the second momentum MB. In here, I don't have anything. This wasn't a flush for me, so I don't have anything. If this would be a flush, then this would be the first MB, this would be the second MB, and we could take it higher. But again, this wasn't a flush, so we are still in motion from these MBs and just pushing and in a delivery phase. So we could potentially do this. Who knows? Who knows? Again, that's the speculation, and it doesn't really matter. We just follow price and do what it does, and then yeah, back to DAX. Hopefully it catches up to EMAs and starts to build new movements, so we can take out our full position, and then we will be probably at 70k or something like that. But yeah, I'll place an alert for Italy break even as well, so I remember when we hit a fucking break even. Yeah, so that's it for now, and see you guys later. What's up? I'm back from the gym and just hit full take profit on DAX, so that's great. We are right now at 70k. Phenomenal trade, beautiful, and yeah, then we are left with Italy. Italy still haven't taken a partial, still at these levels, hoping for that move, that push to the at least partial. But yeah, then Euro stocks on my prop firms, it's still open. But on this account, like you saw in last episodes, I told you that basically I had placed some kind of a take profit and it was incorrect, and I took a partial and totally forgot about the take profit level, and it stopped me out right here, last Friday. So yeah, but it is what it is. Yeah, so for US oil, beautiful flush, looks very nice for sales. Yeah, just need that double MB like this, and that's it. And I will be taking a trade on it. Spain, nothing still. This wasn't a flush for me, unfortunately. If it would have flushed deeper, then this would be first and this would be second MB, but it didn't happen. Then looks like yeah, gold made beautiful MB and just now waiting for some kind of a pause and give me entries to go higher and keep on liquidating those all-time highs. So yeah, gold looks really nice, and will potentially follow it if it gives me any kind of a setups. Right now on entry time frame, I'm just too extended. Like, you know, I like to take trades on second MB. Basically you have first, second, third, or flush first, second, it doesn't matter how you count it. Still, this would be the third MB, so I will not take it if it does something like this. I want to see at least either some kind of MB to the other side and then, or a flush below the EMAs and then set up new entries, new MBs like this. So yeah, but the gold looks very nice. The same thing goes, I think, for this one. Yeah, as well, this gold as well is looking very nice. Let's quickly look at the context time frame. Yeah, context as well looks very nice. Yeah, we could call actually this as the first, second, third, fourth. This could be a flush. Then again, first, second, flush, first. So yeah, but I'll stick with this huge one, MB. So basically 3 MBs. Motion comes from here. So yeah. yeah, so I'll be looking for these ones, but it probably will not happen today. And yeah, US market, nothing to do. Like I said, if it pauses and starts to catch up to EMAs and then set up new entries, I will probably take it, but not at the moment. Yeah, not at the moment. Japanese, still nothing. Coffee, yeah, nothing to do. Still need that first MB. Let's delete these. Copper, nothing to do. Silver, nothing to do. Bitcoin as well, pushing down. Solana, the same shit. Ethereum, the same thing. So yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing really more. Yeah, so I'll be back once something new happens. So it's evening already. It's 9 p.m. Actually 10 p.m. soon. So yeah, market is pushing. Italy market. That's great to see. And yeah, so still waiting for this, but I'll end the episode right now. And yeah, so other markets, basically nothing really. Gold for tomorrow, let's say it does something like this, and then this, then I'll take my entry in a second MB. But yeah, the same thing goes for this gold. So yeah, DAX just need a flush and enter again. US oil looks nice, but probably will not get an entry today. But we'll see. We have still 1 hour before market close, and yeah, we'll see if it gives me entry. Spain, nothing. US markets push higher. So yeah, then cryptos, maybe potentially this could be the first MB already. And yeah, so we'll see. I really don't like that we are under the EMAs right here, but this entry will not be today. Let's see, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so this candle needs 5 more hours, so it will happen overnight. So maybe if it tomorrow in the morning will be somewhere here market, then EMAs will start to switch, and I will look for entries inside there on 1 hour time frame to go higher. So yeah, we'll see how it and what really happens. So yeah, overall it looks nice. Yeah, Solana the same thing probably. Yeah. So potentially cryptos tomorrow, we'll see. Then I still have this position on one of my prop firms. So yeah, that's good. Probably will hit also full TP later on today, or probably not today, but yeah. So with that being said, that's it for this video. So we got full take profit on DAX, which we held over weekends, which is great. So our balance is exactly 70k, which is fucking crazy, but we just keep on pushing. And then Italy as well running. And so that's it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.